Good day everyone and welcome to Think Lead Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at questions from the Waec past question, and we'll be starting from year 1988, as you can see on the board, year 1988. So let's take a look at the first question. The first question on my book, as you can see on your screen, we have evaluate into brackets 101.5 raised to power 2 minus into brackets 100.5 raised to the power of 2. This is what we have. We have to evaluate 101.5 raised to the power of 2 minus into brackets 100.5 raised to the power of 2. And it says A is 2, A is 1, B 2.02, C 20.2, D 202, and E 20.2020. Now, first of all, how do we solve this question? To solve this question is very simple. Now, when you come across something like this, to solve this, just make use of what we call difference of two squared. And now when I talk about the difference of two squared, what am I talking about? Now look at this. You have something like this, a squared minus b squared. And when we have something like this, a squared minus b squared, we use what we call difference of two squared, which is a minus b into bracket a plus b. So I'm going to be using this to solve this particular question. Of course, this is a and this is what? B. So let's impute all what we have here into this as we solve. Now, I'm going to be having into bracket. The first one, this will come down 101.5 minus 100.5. Close the bracket. Open another bracket. We have the same thing. The same thing here will be here, but just that the sign will change. So we have 101.5 plus 100.5. So let's do the working. Now we have 101.5 minus 100.5. What do we get? Of course, we should be getting 1.0. Or we say 1. We are still saying the same thing. Then 1.0 multiplied by. Now when I add this, I'll be getting what? When we add these two, we should be getting 202. We're getting 202. When we add this together, we get 202. Now when I multiply this, 1.0 multiplied by 202, or the same thing as 1 multiplied by 202, that will be giving us 202, which is option D. So this is how you solve this particular question.